let's get a confirmation of how much ticket we have been able to buy from this process. Okay, as you can see, the Polygon Matic balance that was about 912 is taken off in exchange for C250 gold ticket, and that has acquired about 304 ticket of C250 gold. You know, this ticket is what will be converted into the main gold at launch come 10th of July 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention and thank you for watching this video all through. Remember, the secret of the love between all of us together and among us together is to be in agreement such as appreciate the exercise of Club 250 Cent, appreciate the glory of the glory of positive reward for our labor and time in cryptocurrency, and also the agreement to subscribe to this channel. Love you all and see you in my next update. I believe this video will make a meaning to you, and this video is expected to bring testimonies from you, because from this video and as you work with the tips you have learned from this video, you will definitely going to make money. God bless you.